Want to solve tan theta times tan 2 theta equals 2 in the range 0 to 2 pi. So we're working in radians now, giving answers to 2 decimal places. So we've got tan theta, tan 2 theta equals 2. And tan 2 theta, we know, is 2 tan theta over 1 minus tan squared theta. So we've got tan theta times 2 tan theta over 1 minus tan squared theta is equal to 2. So that's 2 tan squared theta, just multiplying the tops here, over 1 minus tan squared theta equals 2. So 2 tan squared theta is going to be twice 1 minus tan squared theta. So 2 tan squared theta is going to be 2, take away 2 tan squared theta, which gives me 4 tan squared theta equals 2, which tells me tan squared theta equals 2 divided by 4, which is a half. And so tan theta is going to be plus or minus 1 over root 2. So we've got tan theta equals 1 over root 2, and tan theta is equal to negative 1 over root 2. Now these give us standard values. The principal value here would be that theta is 45 degrees, or since we're in radians, pi by 4. And over here, the principal value would be that theta is negative pi by 4. So if we go to our cast diagram, and remember over here we had a tangent which was positive, we're going to have pi by 4 and pi by 4. Remember this is pi, which is 4 pi by 4. So that's going to give me pi by 4 and 5 pi by 4. And then over here, don't worry about the fact that this isn't in the range. We know that it's a tangent and it's negative, so we're talking about there and there. And this angle is pi by 4, so this angle is pi by 4. And so when we go around from 0, we're going to get 3 pi by 4 there, and 7 pi by 4 there. Now we're asked to give these to 2 decimal places rather than exact, and we could have actually just done a calculated angle back here, but I just used the standard values. Now I think my calculator is in degrees, so let's just make sure and change it to radians. And then had I been doing the principal values back here on the calculator, I would have gone shift tan and 1 over root 2. And that's how I would have worked with that. So I'd have said that this angle was 0.6155 or something, and then worked with that. Of course, I don't need the calculator to be in radian mode just to convert these, because these are just numbers. I'm just going to go shift and then pi, and then divide that by 4. And if I want that to 2 decimal places, that's 0.79. And then for 3 pi divided by 4, I can just multiply that answer by 3. So that's 2.36. And then I want 5 times pi divided by 4, which is 3.93. And finally 7 pi divided by 4. So 7 times pi and divide that by 4. And that gives me 5.50.